sono certificati lah dan pasti indoor my blanket. Oops. Yeah, that open my full set about Aikatsu. I don't know what was starting the left side, so I don't know what inside, but I still have open. Oh, wrong way. Oh, I'm lagi ikut kerja. Ini Otome Arizungaya. Shining gallery. Can you see that? Shining gallery. Can you see the checklist? Oh, checklist weird. Keep going. Okay. So we get Chigu. We got the signal. So we must keep opening in until everything all of it already open. Next one is Shira. Is another one. Opening. We got Aoi. Yorika. Until everything all dissolved. Open. This is Aoi. How about let's go starting in the back? I just grabbed this from the back one. Like those. So I just grab one. Grab this. No, like this. Yes, I can. Okay, so we got another one. Open it. Keep going until everything. I guess those go in this one. So I just this time. This the same. Let's go starting in the really background. Let's start. Get this. Go with this one. I don't care. Okay. Cuma udah open. Cuma right category. Okay, one is already complete. So go with this one. I don't know. Is this one and this one. So the last one from the left side. So we get so we get another. I just want to switch. So we get this. I don't know what is that. So let's go start in the back one. And you know what is the back one? Yes. So we got. Ikut kerja. So we got a Finrock. Go with this one. Where is it? Tara. So go with this one. Oh, new one. I just say, oh no, it's the tops again. Just a second. What's this? Is the shoes or the bottoms? Oh, the bottoms. I just say, oh no, it's the tops. This thing most everything is the same. I don't really like it. Okay, the next one, keep opening until find a card. Ah, let's just start in the middle one. So I got this one. Is Sora. Let's get starting in the front again. This magic. I'll get a dress. It's a dress. I just say, oh no, it's stops. I just hope this thing's attraction for the card. There we go. Ah. Ugh. Starting with the background again. Oh, we get the shoes. Lucky. So another one is complete. So what is it? Here we go. You can see the full outfit here. You can see that. Go with this one. I don't know. I just call this is the pink sandal, and yeah, I just call that. And how looks with this one? The back, 3 more to open. Oh, random card. I don't have that, so good news. Happy dance. This thing very with her. 2 more to open. Oh, we got a dress. Maybe this is I guess this is Ichigo. I guess. Let's go see. Is Ichigo or who? I don't know. I don't have. So this is, I gonna name it. This is the brown boots. Just naming the brown boots. Go the red short. Nggak ada namanya. Terus aku kasih nama. Sebenarnya ada sih, tapi dihapus. Tuh, kan bisa agak kelihatan. Tuh, disitu ada namanya. Ini for. This is the. Ini is the red. This is the red short pants and the brown boots. Ini mesti di blue dress kayaknya. Ini mesti di ini mesti adalah di brown candy shoes and rainbow socks kalau menurut aku. Go with, where is it? With the blue skirt, with the tops, rainbow donuts tops, I guess tops. So we get a rock. This is the white rocks tops. Go with the piano rocks red, the piano red skirt. This is the hot pink sandal. I can even add. So we got the orange dress, purple jacket. I want to add closer look to you guys. This is the white little polka dots pants. This is the pink shoulder pants, the pink shoulder tops. So this is the so is, I don't know what is that. How with this one? This is the blue, the tucked shoes with the blue the tactics skirt, the blue the tactics skirt, the pink shoes kayaknya. Ini adalah di purple short pants, and this is the black and red long pants, white and ini colornya apa sih, kasih tahu aku di komen ya. White black tops. So, aku udah kasih tahu kalian nama-namanya, jadi kalian juga bisa ikut-ikutan. Dan aku masih ada ininya. Oke, dan kalau kalian pengen ikut-ikutan, kalian bisa. Kalian harus, kalau mau beli gituan, tadi aku rapin gini nanti. Aku adjusting the size. Kalau kalian mau itu, kasih tahu aku di komen. Aku mau lihat video kalian, bagaimana videonya. Ntar aku like kalian ntar harus likein aku ya. Ini yang kemarin, yang apa sih namanya, yang Barbie dengan Chuck, terus ini dengan tidak Chuck. Thank you very much, bye. Wow. Hi sis.